Hello, my friend, and welcome back. Today I am going to read you the story of Rabbit and Turtle, Mantillan Abagubien. So we are going to practice reading. Practice. Okay, let's begin now. ሓደ መዓልቲ ሓደ ማንቲለ ብዛዕባ ጉያ ዝመልከት ክሳብ ክንደይ ቁልጡፍ ምዃኑ ይጀሃር ነበረ። One day, a rabbit was boasting about how fast he could run. ንኣባ ጎብየ ዝሑል ብምዃኑ ድማ ይስሕቆ ነበረ. He was laughing at the turtle for being so slow. እቲ ኣባ ጎብየ ግን ክገጥመሉ ምዃኑ ምስ ነገሮ እቲ ማንቲለ ተገረመ. Much to the rabbit's surprise, the turtle challenged him to a race. እቲ ማንቲለ ድማ ዘላቅጥ ዘሎ መሲልዎ ድሓር ግን ሕራይ በሎ. The rabbit thought this was a good joke and accepted the challenge. ወኻርያ ድማ ዳኛ ኾነት. The fox was to be the umpire of the race. እቲ ቅድድም ምስ ተጀመረ ከምቲ ነፍሶ ከፍ ዝተጸበዮ እቲ ማንቲለ ቀዲምዎ ነዊሕ ከደ. As the race began, the rabbit raced way ahead of the turtle, just like everyone thought. እቲ ማንቲለ ፍርቂ መገዲ ምስ በጽሐ ነቲ ኣባ ጎብየ ኣማዕድዩ ክሪኦ ኣይከኣለን. The rabbit got to the halfway point and could not see the turtle anywhere. ደኺሙን ባህሩር ሰሊቑን ስለ ዝነበረ ድማ ሓንሳብ ቀም ከብል ወሰነ. He was hot and tired and decided to stop and take a short nap. ወላ ኣባ ጎብየ እንተሓለፎ ኣርኪቡ ከም ዝጥሕሶ ፍሉጥ እዩ ነይሩ. Even if the turtle passed him, he would be able to race to the finish line ahead of him. ኣባ ጎብየ ግን ቀስ እንዳበለ ጉዕዝኡ ይቕጽል ነበረ. All this time, the turtle kept walking step by step. ኣባ ጎብየ ወላ እንተደኸመ ወይ ሃሩር እንተትሰምዖ መንገዱ ኣይቋረጸን. He never quit, no matter how hot or tired he got. ጉዕዝኡ ስቕ ኢሉ ቀጸለ. He just kept going. እንተኾነ ግን እቲ ማንቲለ ካብ መጠን ንላዕሊ ደቀሰሞ ድሓር ተበራበረ. However, the rabbit slept longer than he had thought and woke up. ነቲ ኣባ ጎብየ እውን ኣማዕድዩ ክሪኦ ፈጺሙ ኣይከኣለን. He could not see the turtle anywhere. ድሓር እንዳጎየ ናብቲ ናይ መወዳእታ ጉያ ቦታ እንተ በጽሐ ኣባ ጎብየ ድሮ ሓሊፉ ንዕኡ ክጽበዮ ጸንሐ. He went at full speed to the finish line, but found the turtle there waiting for him. እወ ጃህራ በጠጥ ኣይድልን እዩ. Indeed, boasting is not necessary. Boasting is not good. I am going to reread it this time without saying any English. Okay. Mantillan Abba Gobien. ሓደ መዓልቲ ሓደ ማንቲለ ብዛዕባ ጉያ ዝምልከት ክሳብ ክንደይ ቁልጡፍ ምዃኑ ይጀሃር ነበረ. ንኣባ ጎብየ ዝሑል ብምዃኑ ድማ ዝስሕቆ ነበረ. እቲ ኣባ ጎብየ ግን ክገጥመሉ ምዃኑ ምስ ነገሮ እቲ ማንቲለ ተገረመ. እቲ ማንቲለ ድማ ዘላቅጥ ዘሎ መሲልዎ ድሓር ግን ሕራይ በሎ. ወኻርያ ድማ ዳኛ ኾነት እቲ ቅድድም ምስተጀመረ ከምቲ ነፍሲ ወከፍ ዝተጸበዮ እቲ ማንቲለ ቀዲምዎ ነዊሕ ገደ እቲ ማንቲለ ፍርቂ መንገዲ ምስ በጽሐ ነቲ ኣባ ጎብየ ኣማዕድዩ ክርእዮ ኣይከኣለን ደኺሙን ባህሩር ሰሊቑን ስለ ዝነበረ ድማ ሓንሳብ ቀም ከብል ወሰነ ወላ ኣባ ጎብየ እንተ ሓለፎ ኣርኪቡ ከም ዝጥሕሶ ፍሉጢ ነይሩ ኣባ ጎብየ ግን ቀስ እንዳበለ ጉዕዝኡ ይቕጽል ነበረ ኣባ ጎብየ ዋላ እንትደኸመ ወይ ሃሩር እንተ ተሰምዖ መንገዱ ኣይቋረጸን ጉዕዝኡ ስቕ ኢሉ ቀጸለ እንተኾነ ግን እቲ ማንቲለ ካብ መጠን ንላዕሊ ደቀሰሞ ደሓር ተባራበረ ነቲ ኣባ ጎብየ እውን ኣማዕድዩ ክሪኦ ፈጺሙ ኣይከኣለን ደሓር እንዳጐየ ናብቲ ናይ መወዳእታ ጉያ ቦታ እንተበጽሐ ኣባ ጎብየ ድሮ ሓሊፉ ንዕኡ ክጽበዮ ጸንሐ ኣሃ እወ ጃህራ በጠጥ ኣይደልን እዩ ጠጥዕሙ ሰሰናዩ my friend. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.